This video was taken on March the 6th, 2022. It shows Fergus and Oliver playing. It's one of several play sessions during the day. Fergus is very eager to play with Oliver. And Oliver, even though he's much smaller than Fergus, didn't seem to mind, just kept going after him. And Fergus didn't seem to mind either. Oliver has sharp, tiny teeth and appears to be really annoying Fergus, but not enough for Fergus to easily get away from him. He sticks right in there and continues with the tussle. I guess Oliver is too little to know that he can't win, that he's overmatched. He doesn't care. He's having a good time. He likes to get up in this dog bed sometimes. We've had to reinforce the boundaries in this play area because Oliver is about ready to go over the boards we have blocking the areas off. He made it over one time, so we've added, not in this picture, but added some height to the barrier there behind Fergus that you see, keep him from going over. Then here it is. I thought we were coming to the end here. We're not yet. I have a picture here at the end that shows kind of the results of all this play. So when they get tired, here's the way the day ended. Fergus is sacked out up on the recliner, and Oliver's sleeping on the floor. Thanks for watching.